Hi, today in this video I'm going to share 3 simple tips on how you can edit or remove the glow around answer options on question slides in Articulate Storyline. I'm Mark Spermon from Upward Online Learning and I teach instructional designers and e-learning developers how to create e-learning in Articulate Storyline. And on this channel I share free Storyline tips so that you can easily create e-learning modules in Storyline yourself. And are you new here? Then don't forget to click on the subscribe button below so that you don't miss any of my weekly videos. Are you ready? Then let's get started. I have a question here in Storyline in preview mode and you'll see that when I click one of the answer options, a yellow glow appears around the option. Now, if your e-learning module is beautifully designed, this glow around the answer option can ruin your whole design. So before I start with the 3 tips, let me show you where the color comes from in Articulate Storyline. If I select an answer option and click on the States tab, then you can see that the glow is in the selected state. Now, the color of this glow is defined in my color theme. And you can find color themes in Storyline under the tab Design, Colors, and here you can see which color you are using right now. So this is for now the color theme Custom 13. So and if I edit this one, you can see that Accent Color 5 is now the color of the selected state for my question slides. Now, if you want to know more about color themes, watch my video where I explain how color themes work and how you can use them in Storyline. I've added a link to this video for you here in the cards, and you can also find a link to this video in the descriptions below. And now let's start with the first tip. So the first tip is actually quite simple but also rigorous. And it's only useful if the glow is on a hover state in your project and you are sure that you do not want hover states with answer options. You can remove the hover state by selecting an answer option. So if we go here to my answer option, I go to one of the objects in my answer option, I click it, I go to my states panel and I click on edit states. Now here the glow is on a selected state, but let's pretend it is on a hover state. Then you can select the hover state and click the trash can icon and remove the hover state. There's only one drawback for this tip. You have to do this manually for all your answer options in your project. Now let's go to tip 2. In this tip, I will show you how you can adjust the state of an answer option. Now, to do this, we have clicked the states panel and select the edit state button, and then I select my selected state here. And now I go to Format and click on Shape Effect, and we look at the shape properties. Now, if you look at glow, you see here that the glow has a glow variation. So for instance, if you want another glow, you can choose it, or you can choose for no glow. You can also set a reflection, a soft edges, or a shadow for your selected state. Now, if you have the selected state to your liking, you can easily copy and paste the selected state of this answer option with the Format Painter to other options in your project. Now, to do this, you can close the Edit States panel, go to the Home tab, double click the Format Painter, and now you can select all the other answer options, and these will get the same look and feel as the answer option that you just adjusted. So let's continue to the third and final tip. Now, maybe you're satisfied with the selected state that it has a color, but you're not satisfied with the specific color and it doesn't match the colors of your corporate identity. So what you can do is adjust the color of the selected state in your color theme. Now, to do this, go to your design theme, click on Colors, go to the selected theme, click with your right mouse and click on Edit. Now, we saw earlier that the selected state has a glow that is the Accent 5 color. So now we can adjust the accent 5 color, for instance, to red, and I click on save. I click on edit states, and you can see that the selected state has now a red color instead of yellow. And so can you adjust the color to your liking. So let's wrap up. You have 3 options to adjust the glow around answer options in your Storyline project. The first option is to remove the specific state. The second option is to adjust the state and get rid of the glow. And the third option is to adjust the color of your glow in your color theme so it matches your design. Now there you go. These were the 3 tips on how to remove the glow or edit the glow on answer options in Articulate Storyline. Now if you have any new ideas for videos about Articulate Storyline for me to create, put them in the comments below. I check your comments, I read them and I respond to you. So give me your feedback. Did you like this video? Then don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get practical tips every week on creating e-learning with Articulate Storyline. Thanks for watching and until the next video.